Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Is it the Jamaican version of Doge in the United States? That's the question this evening as the Andrew Holness administration moves to address government inefficiency and bureaucracy, which are considered obstacles to growth.
The update comes from as Ambassador Audrey Marks was given the task to review government systems as part of her responsibilities as a new cabinet minister.
Now, it's not the first time government is doing such a review, but the matter is even more significant as the United States Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, conducts a massive overhaul in that country.
It has long been established how government bureaucracy continues to stifle economic growth and, in some cases, investments. Prime Minister Andrew Holness again acknowledging the frustration Jamaicans experience when trying to conduct business at some government entities.
The experience with bureaucracy is probably primarily expressed in the frustration at our tax offices. It's the experience in trying to call a government entity and not getting a response on the telephone. It's the customer service.
An acknowledgement, too, on how it impacts state projects.
Projects that could transform Jamaica. When it gets tied up in all kinds of processes, and every part of the bureaucracy wants a part of it, whether it is investigation, accounting, review, all kinds of nonsense, while the people suffer. We have to change that.
It's why Mr. Holness has tasked the newly appointed minister with that portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Ambassador Audrey Marks, to undertake a comprehensive review of Jamaica's governance arrangements, systems and processes, and to implement targeted reforms that will eliminate inefficiencies and enhance the speed of doing business in Jamaica. Or in short,
streamlining processes for efficiency and economic development, not to be confused with Doge.
She's also responsible for digital transformation. In the meantime, the new state minister in the Ministry of Tourism, Delano Seavright, now has the responsibility for linkages between tourism and the general economy.
We want to ensure that the local economy, the average Jamaican, benefits from this incredible natural, renewable asset, tourism, which is essentially the culture, the people, and the environment. We want to get the most out of it.
Janella Precious.